I'm Senator Bob Huff. This is my Capitol comment for the week of January 20th, 2014. This week, the governor delivered his State of the State address. It's a blueprint where the governor wants the legislature to go. It's a speech where the governor can tout past accomplishments. For the most part, the governor embraced Republican values. He stated the need for spending restraint, paying down debt, building a rainy day reserve. Republicans not only support this, these are our values. But while the governor delivered promise, he stopped short on details. He announced that California has created 1 million new jobs. What he didn't mention is we lost twice that during the recession. California's unemployment rate remains one of the highest in the nation at 8.5%. That's 2 percentage points higher than the national average, with many who are employed earning less and many others who've retired early or otherwise stopped looking for jobs. And that begs the question, where are the new jobs going to come from? What's the plan? California ranks dead last in business attractiveness, and businesses create jobs. We have the highest income tax rate, the highest sales tax, the highest gas tax, the highest corporate income tax rate west of the Mississippi, electricity rates 1.5 times that of our neighboring states, and the list goes on. And then there's that thorny issue of rising crime created by the governor's so-called realignment plan, which has sent tens of thousands of state prisoners to county jails. Without space, counties are releasing like amounts of lesser criminals onto our streets. And while the governor lauded his early release program, the statistics paint a different picture. Property crimes are on the rise after falling for 20 straight years, even while our population has grown. With county jails now packed, law enforcement needs outweigh the sparse money sent them by the state. And the real crime? As our cars have been stolen, our homes burglarized at a higher rate, the state has quietly pocketed $800 million in savings. Finally, the governor quoted from the Bible as he called for spending restraint, citing the story of Joseph and Pharaoh storing up grain during the 7 good years to be prepared for the 7 lean years. The solution for California is a rainy day fund, which the governor also called for, but we don't believe his watered-down version is the right thing. The voters should have an opportunity to vote on the bipartisan reserve fund outlined by ACA 4, which will not only allow us to pay down debt, it will even out the boom and bust cycle from all sources of state revenues. Thanks for joining me. I'm Senator Bob Huff.